From the main menu, click on Settings at the very bottom. Scroll down halfway and select Voice Assistants. Select Google Assistant as your voice assistant option. Click Open Google Home app. Once the app is opened, click on the plus button on the main page. Press the Service button. Select Works with Google. In the search box, type SkyHome. Enter your phone number, including your country code, and press Get Verify Code. Wait for the SMS verification code. Enter the code from SkyHome. Select the location you want to control by voice command, or all locations if you have more than one location and you want to access all of them. Press Verify Location. Your Google device is now linking to your SkyHome. To sync your device, say, "Hey Google, sync devices." Congratulations, you have successfully connected your Google Assistant to your SkyHome app.